Are you new to digital marketing and not sure where to start in 2025? Whether you're a student, a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone curious about the online marketing world, this video is your complete roadmap to becoming a confident digital marketer. No fluff, just a clear step-by-step path to success. Welcome to Sutantrology, your marketing and technology partner. Friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of our new updates. So grab your notepad and let's dive right in. Section 1, what is digital marketing? Let's start with the basics. Digital marketing is the promotion of products or services through digital channels like search engines, social media, email, and websites. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing allows you to target your audience more precisely, track performance in real time, and scale your business without burning a hole in your pocket. There are multiple areas under digital marketing, each with its own tools and strategies. But don't worry, we'll break them down step by step. Section 2, the 7 core areas of digital marketing. Step 1, understand the digital marketing ecosystem of Section 2. Before diving in, get familiar with the 7 key areas. 1. SEO, search engine optimization. 2. Content marketing. 3. Social media marketing. 4. Email marketing. 5. Paid advertising, PPC. 6. Affiliate marketing. 7. Analytics and conversion rate optimization. Let's briefly explore each one. Step 2, learn SEO, the foundation. Search engine optimization helps your website rank on Google. Start by learning about on-page SEO, keywords, headings, meta tags, etc. Off-page SEO, backlinks creation, social media management, etc. Technical SEO, site speed, mobile-friendly design, etc. Tools to learn: Google Search Console, Google Trends, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Ubersuggest, etc. Free courses: Google SEO Starter Guide, Moz Beginner Guide, LearnVern app, etc. Next is step 3, master content marketing. Content is king and always will be. Focus on blogging, video content, infographics, ebooks. You must learn how to create valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain your audience. Tools: Grammarly, Canva, Notion, ChatGPT. Learn storytelling, copywriting, repurposing content. Next, step 4, social media marketing. This includes platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok. Understand creating engaging content, scheduling posts, running paid ads, building community. Tools: Buffer, Later, Meta Business Suite, Hootsuite. Pro tip: each platform has its own audience style and best practices. Don't post the same content everywhere. Step 5, email marketing. Emails are still one of the highest ROI channels. Learn how to build email lists, design newsletters, automate sequences, tools: Mailchimp, ConvertKit, Brevo, formerly Sendinblue. Focus on personalization and segmentation. Next is step 6, paid advertising/PPC. Paid marketing helps you reach people quickly via Google Ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads. Tools: Google Ads, Meta Ads Manager. Learn budgeting, targeting, split testing, and retargeting. Next, step 7, affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission. Perfect for bloggers, influencers, and content creators. Start with platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Impact, PartnerStack. Learn review writing, link tracking, niche selection. Next is step 8, analytics and optimization. Finally, what gets measured gets improved. Use Google Analytics 4, or know as GA4, Hotjar, Facebook Pixel, A/B testing tools. Track performance, understand user behavior, and optimize conversions. Now let's come to our next section. Section 3, how to start your journey. Learning path. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. Here's how you can start your journey in 2025. 1. Pick 1 or 2 areas and go deep. 2. Take free online courses from Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, or Coursera. 3. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a small Instagram page. Apply what you learn. 4th, freelance on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to gain real-world experience. 5. Build a portfolio and track your results. Remember, the best way to learn digital marketing is by doing digital marketing. Our next point is Section 4, Final Tips and Resources. Final tips. Stay updated. The industry evolves fast. Follow blogs like Neil Patel, Search Engine Journal, or Marketing Brew. Build your personal brand. LinkedIn is huge in 2025. Network with fellow marketers, join communities on Discord, Reddit, or Facebook. Bonus tip, use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva AI to speed up content creation and ideation. So, if you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment below with your favorite part or area you want to learn first. Subscribe to stay updated with more marketing tips, tools, and tutorials. This was your 2025 Beginner's Roadmap to Digital Marketing. Thanks for watching Sutantralogy. And remember, digital skills are the currency of the future.